For the breaking news we're tracking, just days after the Thackeray cousins' surprise handshake, Maharashtra's political theatre and battleground has delivered yet another plot twist, but this time starring the Pawars. In a shocking turn of events, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has announced a reunion with his uncle Sharad Pawar for the upcoming Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation elections. And you know what's more intriguing? The BJP's reaction. Far from being rattled, they've welcomed the Pawar reunion, even claiming that Ajit had Sharad Pawar had in fact followed the direction that Ajit Pawar had laid. We have some crucial reactions coming in for you regarding this surprise reunion. Listen in.
अच्छी बात है, मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि दोनों परिवार अगर साथ में आते हैं तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, इसका स्वागत करते हैं हम, और पार्टी और भी मजबूत होगी और मजबूती से लड़ेगी, तो इस चीज का हम स्वागत करते हैं।
अजीत दादा के हर शब्द में यही था कि मैंने सिर्फ पवार साहबों के आदेशों का पालन किया है और ये आदेश उनके ही थे। उन्होंने हर भाषण में यही कहा है, मुझे यहाँ पर निशाने पे लाया जा रहा है पर मैं मेरे पवार साहब के आदेशों का पालन कर रहे हैं। और ये हमारे लिए तो कोई नई बात नहीं है कि वो साथ में आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अजीत दादा जो बीजेपी के साथ में आए वो पवार साहब के आदेशों पर ही आए हैं। खुशी तो है क्योंकि पवार साहब एक बहुत बड़े नेता हमारे महाराष्ट्र के हैं और वो साथ में आएंगे तो उनका अनुभव साथ ही देगा, काम ही पड़ेगा।
कोई भी भाई साथ में आए, कोई भी परिवार साथ में आए, सरनेम की राजनीति नहीं चलेगी। यहाँ सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस चलेगा। और हमारे महाराष्ट्र में एक विशेषता है कि वोटर इतने सक्षम है और वो परख लेते हैं कि कौन सत्ता के मोह माया के लिए आ रहे हैं और कौन सही मायने में काम करने के लिए। और मैं आपको आश्वासन दे सकती हूँ कि हमारे नेता आदरणीय एकनाथ जी शिंदे ऑन ग्राउंड काम करते रहे हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस के साथ महायुति का ही नेतृत्व में एक महापौर मुंबई के लिए। लोग चर्चा कर सकते हैं कि पवार साथ में, ठाकरे साथ में, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि सत्ता के लिए डेवलपमेंट साथ में आए तब वोट मिलता है।
And the BJP, far from being rattled, they've welcomed this reunion of the Pawars, even claiming that Ajit had joined the NDA on Sharad Pawar's direction. Abhishek Awasthi is tracking the latest developments for us and all that's brewing behind the scenes. Abhishek, tell us, what is the real reason behind this Pawar reunion for the Pimpri-Chinchwad polls? And is this being seen as a one-time tactical alliance or a sign of something bigger on the ground?
Definitely, we were seeing how earlier secret rounds of talks were going on. Then later we saw an important development that took place in Baramati where Amol Kole as well as Rohit Pawar met Ajit Pawar and we're discussing about the alliance dynamics when it comes to Pune, Pimpri-Chinchwad and other municipal corporation elections. And especially if we want to understand for Pune and Pimpri-Chinchwad, it was already by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis that we will not form a Mahayuti alliance, we will contest against Ajit Pawar. So Ajit Pawar was looking earlier forward to like-minded parties and those parties who are of the same ideology, and he reached out to Sharad Pawar camp of the NCP. But what we heard in between was, he was enforcing that all the candidates from Sharad Pawar camp should also contest on the symbol of clock, which is of NCP of Ajit Pawar. And it was a bone of contention. And yesterday we saw the announcement late night where he clearly said that, now the clock and the trumpet, the tutari, will contest together the whole municipal corporation of Pimpri-Chinchwad. And it is for the sake of Pimpri-Chinchwad only. That's what has been specified currently. But definitely, we can view it under a political spectrum. Chacha Bhatijas coming together, and definitely this is not. You can say that it's an initiation of a deal. Two parties coming together, but definitely Pawars are coming together. It's a big, politics when it comes to in the state of Maharashtra, and we'll have to see how it pans out because only 2 days are left today and tomorrow for filing the nomination, and this was much needed so that nominations of the party workers can be filed, and we have to see how does it pans out. Back to you.
We'll keep in touch with you for all the latest developments. As always, Abhishek, thanks so much.